One of the most common questions I get is, I want to start learning programming, but I don't know which language to start with. In this video, we'll talk briefly about programming languages, what they do, and their key benefits. The languages I'll mention are those that still hold significant value today. We'll start with C, often considered the mother of all languages. C is a foundational language. It's a low-level language that provides a clear understanding of how computers function. C is essential for systems programming, and it's used in fundamental systems like parts of Windows, Linux, and other operating systems. Learning C is like learning the mechanics of a car. It's basic but essential. Once you know C, you'll understand the basics of how computers operate, memory management, and how to optimize code. It's a great language for those who want to get close to the hardware. Next is C++. Built on top of C, C++ introduces object-oriented programming, making it easier to create large, complex systems. It's used for creating games, graphics-intensive applications, and simulators like physics or chemistry models. C++ is ideal when you need high performance and efficient resource usage. If you're building something that needs speed and hardware efficiency, C++ is your go-to language. It's also widely used in the development of operating systems, embedded systems, and even high-performance applications like trading platforms. Mastering C++ opens the door to a range of industries where performance is critical. Then we have C#. I learned C# unintentionally while using Unity, a game development engine. Developed by Microsoft, C# is widely used for Windows applications and games. Unity heavily relies on C#, so if you're playing a mobile game, there's a high chance it was built with C#. It's a language that's easy to pick up, and if you're interested in game development, C# is a must-learn. Additionally, C# is so used for developing enterprise-level applications, web services, and even mobile apps via Xamarin. Its versatility and extensive ecosystem make it a great choice for a wide range of software development. Java is perhaps the most well-known language. It's extremely versatile and can be used for almost anything from mobile apps to large-scale systems. Java is platform independent due to its write once, run anywhere capability, meaning you can run Java applications on any Java virtual machine JVM installed. Java is not overly complex, and while it may not be as simple as Python, it's a robust language, especially for large projects where reliability is key. It's widely used in enterprise software development, Android app development, and large-scale systems like banking software and web services. JavaScript is the language of the web. If you visit a website with dynamic elements, animations, or games, it's likely using JavaScript. Initially, JavaScript was only for the browser, but now it's also used on servers, making it even more efficient. JavaScript allows developers to create interactive web pages and is essential for front-end web development. With the rise of Node.js, JavaScript has become a full-stack language, enabling developers to build both client-side and server-side applications. Additionally, JavaScript frameworks like React and Angular make it easier to build modern web applications. PHP is a backend language commonly used for server-side development. It powers many websites and web applications, including content management systems like WordPress. PHP sends data to users and is popular in academic IT fields. However, its usage has declined in favor of more modern languages. While it's still widely used for web development, I wouldn't recommend it as a primary language to learn, especially if you're just starting out. If you are specifically focused on web development and need to maintain legacy systems, learning PHP might still be valuable. R is specialized for statistics and data analysis. If you're working with large data sets, creating graphs, or analyzing trends, R is a great choice. It's widely used in scientific research and by companies focused on data analytics. With extensive libraries for statistical computing, R allows researchers to easily manipulate and visualize data. It's a powerful tool in fields like bioinformatics, finance, and marketing. If you're looking to work with data science or analytics, learning R alongside Python will give you a comprehensive set of tools for handling and analyzing data. SQL isn't a programming language in the traditional sense, but is essential for managing databases. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is used to organize, retrieve, and manipulate information in relational databases. It's used everywhere, from managing product details in online stores to querying data in massive enterprise systems. SQL is crucial for web developers, data analysts, and anyone working with databases. Even if you're not focused on database development, knowing SQL is incredibly valuable in almost any field in tech. Swift is Apple's programming language for building iOS and macOS apps. If your goal is to create applications for the Apple ecosystem, Swift is the way to go. With Swift's clean syntax and high performance, it makes iOS and macOS app development faster and more enjoyable. It's modern and safe, and Apple continually enhances it. If you're interested in building apps for iPhones, iPads, or Macs, Swift is a must-learn language. It's gaining popularity quickly and is the primary choice for developers within the Apple ecosystem. Kotlin, on the other hand, is the Android equivalent. While you can use Java for Android development, Kotlin is more efficient and modern. It simplifies many of Java's complexities and provides enhanced syntax, making development faster and less error-prone. Kotlin is officially supported by Google and is now the preferred language for Android app development. It's great for building scalable and maintainable Android apps and is quickly becoming the language of choice for developers in the Android ecosystem. Dart, created by Google, is designed for cross-platform mobile applications. If you want to build a single app that works seamlessly on both iOS and Android, Dart, with the Flutter framework, is a strong choice. Dart allows for faster development and performance, making it easier to build beautiful, natively compiled apps for multiple platforms. It's especially appealing to developers looking to streamline the app development process and target multiple operating systems without having to write separate codebases. Ruby is a fun and easy-to-learn language often used for web applications via the Ruby on Rails framework. Ruby is known for its elegant syntax and focus on developer happiness, making it a great choice for beginners. It's developer-friendly and great for building quick prototypes or launching web apps. While it's not as widely used as it once was, Ruby on Rails is still a popular framework for building full-stack web applications, and many startups use it for rapid development. PowerShell isn't exactly a programming language, it's more of a scripting tool for managing tasks on a computer. It's extremely useful for automating repetitive tasks, like changing system settings or running frequent scripts. PowerShell is essential for IT professionals and system administrators working in Windows environments. It allows you to automate everything from file management to network configuration. And it's a valuable tool for anyone working in system administration or DevOps. Lua is often used as an add-on language in game development. It's not meant to be a primary language, but is great for adding small features, like controlling enemy movement in games. Lua is lightweight and easily embedded into other applications, making it a favorite among game developers for scripting. Many game engines like Unity allow you to use Lua for quick and efficient scripting. If you're into game modding or want to add custom behaviors to your games, Lua is a useful language to learn. Haskell is a purely logical, math-oriented language. It's powerful but difficult for beginners. Haskell is used in academia, research, and industries requiring complex algorithms and computations. It emphasizes functional programming principles, which can be difficult to grasp but provides immense power and flexibility once mastered. It's great for solving complex mathematical problems, making it a top choice for data scientists and researchers working with theoretical concepts. Ada is a language designed to minimize errors. It's used in critical systems like airplanes, medical devices, and trains, where mistakes can have serious consequences. Ada ensures that software meets strict reliability and safety standards, making it a preferred choice in industries where failure is not an option. While it's not as widely known as other languages, Ada is essential in domains that prioritize safety and correctness in software systems. Pascal is a great language for learning programming logic. While it's not used to build modern applications, it's excellent for understanding the concepts behind programming. Pascal was one of the first languages I learned, and it helped me develop a solid understanding of structured programming and algorithms. If you're a beginner, Pascal is an excellent choice for learning the basics of programming and computer science fundamentals. Finally, we have Python, my favorite language. Python is versatile and beginner-friendly with syntax that's easy to read and understand. It's great for automation, web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. While it's not as fast as low-level languages like C or C, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses. Python is widely used across various domains and industries. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and advanced users due to its simplicity and power. And there you have it. These are the programming languages that hold significant value today and are widely used across various industries. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your knowledge, these languages will provide you with a strong foundation in programming. If I missed any important languages, or if you have a personal favorite that you think should be included, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any languages you think are worth mentioning. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you on your programming journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.